Wait, did Tesla just recall thousands of brand new cars again? Yeah, and this time, it's serious. Before we dive in, hit like and subscribe now, and let's get started. Tesla has just issued a recall for exactly 12,963 Model 3 and Model Y electric cars. According to official documents filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, these cars might suddenly lose propulsion power while driving. That's right, you could be cruising down the road, and boom, the car just cuts power. No warning, no time to react. So what's behind this? The issue comes from the battery pack contactor, specifically a faulty NHTSA solenoid that was used in some battery systems. Basically, the solenoid can suddenly open due to a bad coil connection, and when that happens, the car just loses power out of nowhere. No warning lights, no alerts. But once it happens, the car will flash a message on the screen telling the driver to pull over. Here's the breakdown. Around 40% of the affected cars, that's 5,038 units, are Model 3 sedans, all from the 2025 model year. The remaining 60%, about 7,925 vehicles, are Model Y SUVs from 2026. Tesla says they've already found 36 warranty claims and 26 field reports related to this issue, but thankfully no accidents, no injuries, and no fatalities so far. By the way, if you're watching right now and still haven't hit like, come on. It keeps the videos coming and helps more Tesla owners see this update. Tesla says they'll replace the faulty contactors, the ones with those bad solenoids, with new, safe ones. They're planning to notify stores and service centers, and owners will start getting letters by December 9th. If you own a 2025 Model 3 or a 2026 Model Y, you can check your VIN on the NHTSA website right now to see if your car is affected. This recall may sound small, but losing power while driving? That's no joke, especially for an EV leader like Tesla. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk. And if you love staying ahead on car tech, EV news, and everything automotive, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next update. Stay charged, and I'll catch you in the next one.